Great evening folks, in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about Cosmos. The solution to this is that, when you put $10 in Cosmos, you will have enacted another recurring source of income. You will have gotten yourself positioned for enormous increases from now on, particularly when you consider the way that Cosmos costs are supposed to keep mobilizing and to see the value in by as much as 5,000% in the 10 years. Crypto dealer and investigators Michael Van de Poppe, for example, contend that Cosmos will before long reach $100. However, to arrive, it would have to appreciate by around 330%. In the event that you just purchased Atom tokens worth $10 today, this venture will appreciate and procure you a $23 benefit, $33 $10. What is the right amount to invest in Cosmos, Atom? Indeed, there truly is a standard lease sum, or a right venture with regards to Cosmos, or some other crypto so far as that is concerned. No one but you can conclude the amount you wish to put resources into Atom tokens. Yet, we actually prompt that you let this choice be exhorted by such factors as your exchanging experience, speculation methodology, contributing objectives, and hazard resistance. By and large, most crypto specialists and monetary councils demand that you convert somewhere in the range of 5% and 40% of your complete speculation funding to cryptographic forms of money like Cosmos. Around 5% for novice and chance-unwilling financial backers, and as much as 40% for the more gamble-lenient and experienced crypto dealers' financial backers. The amount could you be worth if you invested in Cosmos, Atom, in 2017? As indicated by icodrops.com, Cosmos held its ICO on 5 April 2017 and raised $17.3 million in the wake of selling 236 million Atom tokens, providing it with a starting cost of 7 cents. After 4 years, Cosmos's symbolic cost has recently set an untouched high of $44, giving a general ROI surpassing 62,000%. Assuming that you had taken part in the Cosmos ICO and purchased Atom tokens worth $1,000, you would be $620,000 more extravagant today. Could I at any point buy Cosmos, Atom, with $1? Indeed, it is feasible to put at least $1 in Cosmos today. Numerous crypto exchanging stages keep up with exceptionally adaptable exchanging cutoff points and will let start an exchange with just $1. Notwithstanding, note that the majority of these crypto exchanging stages request moderately higher least store sums. Could I at any point buy Cosmos, Atom, worth $100? Indeed, it is feasible to purchase Cosmos tokens worth $100. Basically any crypto exchanging stage that rundowns Atom will have a base exchanging limit lower than $100. Today, Cosmos has been recorded with for all intents and purposes all the most famous crypto trades, including Binance, crypto financiers like eToro, and is additionally available by means of distributed exchanging stages. Could you at any point lose money on Cosmos, Atom? Indeed, losing cash with Cosmos is conceivable. First of all, you could lose your universe speculation to advertise instability, yet provided that you sell the plunge. You could likewise lose Cosmos tokens to programmers, either by breaking your own wallet, your crypto exchanging record, or split the difference of DeFi or crypto dApp, where you have your Atom token locked. You could likewise lose cash with Cosmos on the off chance that you succumb to such crypto tricks as pyramid Ponzi plots or are set off into it by counterfeit sites and phishing messages. Interestingly, a large portion of these Cosmos speculation gambles are avoidable. A portion of the actions that you can remember: financial planning for a solid equipment wallet, keeping away from speculation programs that guarantee higher than normal returns, and restraining your feelings while exchanging. Will cause, for example, on the off chance that you put resources into Cosmos when it originally exchanged the open business sectors, your Atom speculation would have valued by over 1,000% today to reach $10,000. What's more, on the off chance that you purchased atoms toward the start of the year, when it was selling for $6, your venture would have valued by 500% such a long ways to reach $5,000. What will Cosmos, Atom, be worth in 2025? Different crypto specialists and specialized examiners have shifted figures on how high atom costs can reach before 2025. In any case, they all anticipate that Atom should keep rising and be worth a lot more in December 2025 than it is today. Crypto specialists at Economy Watch, for example, are certain that Atom will in all probability be selling above $225 by 2025. Specialized investigator Governor Capital is much more bullish about Cosmos's future cost activity and anticipates that the altcoin cost should reach $307.90 by December 2025. Peruse also Cosmos price prediction for 2025 and 2030. What was the highest value for one Cosmos, Atom? IOTA set a value standard of $44.70 on 20 September 2021, as indicated by information from CoinMarketCap. Is it smart to invest in Cosmos, Atom? Indeed, Cosmos has been reliably positioned among the most encouraging blockchain innovations, to a great extent, because of its inter-blockchain communication (IBC) convention. From CryptoPepper to Pintashi, each crypto master is persuaded that Atom token costs are prepared for one of the greatest cost runs yet. Specialized examiners are additionally enormously bullish on the altcoin's future value activity and market feelings keep areas of strength for conveying signals. We, along these lines, reason that Cosmos is a shrewd purchase on the grounds that its blockchain organization and Atom token costs are supposed to keep revitalizing for the following couple of years. Might I at any point buy $500 worth of Cosmos, Atom? Indeed, you can without much of a stretch purchase Atom tokens worth $500 on practically any crypto exchanging stage that rundowns the altcoin. The purchasing system with the greater part of these trades is practically comparable and very direct. It begins with recognizing a trustworthy crypto exchanging stage. You then need to make a client account here, store sufficient in the stage to cook for the $500 exchange, start a purchase request, and move the Atom tokens bought to your computerized wallet. What number of dollars is 200 Cosmos, Atom? Universe token costs have been averaging $40. That, thusly, makes 200 Atom tokens worth $7,200. Is it true or not that one is Cosmos, Atom, enough to own? No, one Atom token isn't sufficient to possess right now, and on account of its ongoing low worth and restricted future development. In truth, hopeful crypto estimates anticipate that Cosmos should develop by over 5,000% in the following 10 years and hit for every symbolic valuation of $1,500. This worth could not hope to compare to any semblance of Bitcoin, as would be considered normal to have reached $1 million are expected as most would consider to be normal to have broken above $100K. How do I convert Cosmos, Atom, to dollars? It is straightforward and shockingly like purchasing Atom tokens. You first need to sign into the crypto trader stage, where you purchase the coins or make another record with an alternate crypto exchanging stage that rundowns Atom tokens. Store the Atom tokens into the stage and open a sell request. The stage will coordinate you with a vendor who pays for the coins in real money and make it feasible for you to pull out this sum in United States dollars to your bank or electronic money wallet. Who owns most Cosmos, Atom? Freely accessible